Hello everyone. See, yesterday we have created Jenkins integration with the local repository. So there was some issue, right? I'm not able to launch the report. So okay, we will do a slight change for the project. So this is the one, Cypress January 2024. See, so before that, no, go to here, manage Jenkins. So why yesterday it is not, we are not able to open the report, right? Just go here and check whether we have HTML report is configured or not, plugins, HTML report, HTML report. See HTML report, publish HTML report. Okay. So it is there. It's already installed plugins. Go here, install plugins, HTML, publish report. Enable. This is already enabled. Okay. So in that case, no, go to dashboard, go to the project. So this report we are not able to open, right? See, it is coming here only. So for that, no, go to configure. So open So here the report, no, where is the report? So you can give the report path. So under reports, it is under HTML, no, this report, index.html. Copy this path, copy whole path. Just go here and under publish HTML report, no? So just here provide the complete HTML directory. Till this, I'm giving this path. So let it be this one. Name is index.html. Let it be. Okay. Cypress HTML report. Apply. So this is the one, no? Exhibition. Save it. Okay. Now try to build it. Now build it. Let it run. So mainly for the report. Yesterday we are not able to open the report, right? Okay. The execution is done now. So let us wait till it stops. Okay, it stopped now. See, the execution is done. You can go here and come. You can check the console out. Go to Cypress project. Go here. See, download zip file. It is coming here. Okay. Download zip file. Let it download. Open this. So this is today's one. Extract here. See which one. Both. It created index.html. I'll open the index.html. Okay. So still both are opening now. Okay. Okay. The path, no. Yesterday, what happened? No. So the path, whatever I created, the path is not correct. Because of that, we are not able to achieve the report. Okay. Go back to Cypress. This is the project. See, Cypress HTML. You need to download the zip file. Then that path, no, you can go and open it. Mhm. So the report is opening. Okay. Okay. Extract this one. So this is how it is working. Okay. I hope this is a very helpful video, guys. Thank you.